Welcome to this Gym Bulldog assembly video for the 2021 wall-mounted, fold-away squat rack. This assembly video is to be used as a guide only, but as with any heavy equipment installation, we recommend you seek professional installation assistance. The Gym Bulldog fold-away squat rack consists of an upper and lower wall mount bracket assembly. These are identical in construction. This video shows assembly guidance of one of these bracket assemblies, but of course this should be repeated for the other. The fold-away squat rack consists of these components: 2 wall brackets, 2 vertical beams, 2 extension arm swivel brackets, 2 extension arms, 1 pull-up bar, 2 J-hooks, 2 barbell arms, 8 safety lock pin assemblies, and finally, assembly bolts, nuts and washers. First, attach the 2 swivel brackets to the wall plate, using the 4 shortest M16 bolts. Ensure to use washers on both the bolt head and nut face. These brackets are a permanent fixture, and should be tightened in place appropriately. This part of the assembly should be repeated for the other wall mount bracket. Extension bars. These are to be inserted into the swivel brackets, as shown. M16 bolts should be inserted into the center hole closest to the wall bracket as shown. Using washers on both the bolt face and nut face, these should be tightened, but not so much as to clamp the extension arm with the swivel bracket. With the extension arms perpendicular to the wall bracket, insert the locking pin as shown. On the underside, now insert the safety pin. This operation, as before, should be repeated for the second wall bracket assembly. You will now have 2 wall bracket assemblies that look like this. This part might be easier if you lay the first bracket assembly on the floor as shown. Then attach the 2 vertical beams to the first bracket. Then repeat for the second bracket. Where you place the vertical beams on the lower bracket will determine the height of the lower bracket on the wall. This might be important for the wall mount positioning, so ensure you check this first. Next, we shall install the pull-up bar. At an angle, offer up the bar as shown and then turn so that it meets with the 2 vertical beams. Next, insert the safety pins and clips. Installation for the J-hook is very simple. Turn through 90 degrees to where the J-hook would be at rest. Then push the location pin through the vertical beam and turn back through 90 degrees. This is now installed. Installation of the barbell arms is the same as the J-hooks. For added safety, we recommend installing the supplied safety pins and clips, as shown to ensure a secure location of the barbell arms. The complete assembly can now be attached to the wall. We strongly recommend this is not attempted by yourself, but a friend or a professional installer help in this final part. Masonry expansion bolts are supplied to attach the frame to a brick, concrete or stone wall. If you are attaching to a wooden stud or metal stud wall, please obtain correct fasteners for this task. If you require any help or assistance, you may contact the staff at Gym Bulldog by phone, email or online chat at gymbulldog.ca.